Hello, I'm Komal Bhojani and welcome back to my channel. First, look at this website. A stunning restaurant website with a dark luxury theme and amazing cinematic hero section. Food dramatically dropping in slow motion, flames are rising and everything looks perfect. Looks premium and mouth-watering. The entire website followed a powerful theme-based design with smooth animation, bold typography and full menu gallery, testimonials, and even a working table reservation system. And today, I'm going to show you how to create this exact kind of restaurant website using Google AI Studio. So, this is the 7th video of my series, 15 Real Businesses, 15 AI Websites. Now, let me quickly give you a brief of steps we are going to cover in this video. First, I will check the feasibility of this restaurant website business model, whether it actually makes sense or has a real demand or not. Then, in second step, I will create a complete website using AI. Third step, I will customize this website with amazing cinematic videos and premium food images. In the fourth step, I will connect the website forms including table reservation and inquiry form submission. So it actually works like a real business website. And finally, I will deploy the website live. So if you think this will be useful for you, make sure to subscribe to my channel and join my Telegram group where I share all the prompts and updates. Also, please support my new channel, Pro AI Income. I have added the link in the description. Now, in the very first step, let's check the feasibility of this kind of website business. There are thousands of restaurant owners and street food shops in the market, but very few actually have their own professional website. Most of them operate only offline. But in today's modern world, every business needs an online presence, and not just any website, but a modern, professional, visually appealing one. You can get clients locally and even from outside your city. You can find restaurant owners through Google My Business listing, business directories like Yellow Pages and other local directories. You can first create a demo website for them, and if they like it, you can convert it into a fully customized AI-powered website for their restaurants. Now let's move to the step 2. In this step, I will build the entire restaurant website using Google AI Studio, which recently introduced the powerful Gemini 3.1 Pro update. The app building dashboard interface has also changed. Now you can't directly download the code file. You either have to publish to the Google Cloud or connect it with GitHub to manage your projects. I did taste Gemini 3.1 Pro, but I'm not fully satisfied with the output for this type of website. So, for this project, I will continue using Gemini 3.0 Flash to build our restaurant website effectively and smoothly. Now, I will give this prompt to AI to generate our complete restaurant website. In this prompt, we define the restaurant name, premium dark theme, cinematic hero section, menu categories, reservation system, and all important pages like about, contact, gallery, and testimonials. I will share this prompt inside my Telegram group, so make sure to join from the link in the description. Now I'm just skipping the waiting part. And as you can see, the website is fully ready. AI has generated a complete dark themed premium restaurant website with a bold hero section, smooth animation, featured dishes, and categorized full menu page, testimonials, image gallery, and fully functional table reservation system. It's responsive, fast loading, SEO friendly, and built with a proper full stack front end structure. Now this is step 3. To make this website more attractive and impressive, I'm going to add an amazing cinematic food video to the hero section. I have already generated some high quality effect videos using advanced AI video models like VO 3.1, VO 3. You can also use powerful video generation tools like Sora, VO, Kling. You just need to give a strong prompt and they will generate eye-catching premium food visuals. I will also share my exact video prompt inside my Telegram group. If you want, you can copy that also. Now here an important part. If you directly upload the video inside Google AI Studio, it won't automatically embed it into website. So first you need to host that video somewhere and then provide the hosted video link to AI Studio. What I did is very simple. I just uploaded the video to YouTube Studio and kept it as unlisted. That way it's not public, but it stays hosted on YouTube's backend servers. You can do the same. Even you can keep this video in GitHub repository, but don't place it in Google Drive, as AI Studio will not able to access the file from Google Drives. Then I simply copied the YouTube video link, gave it to Google AI Studio and prompted it to replace the hero section image with this cinematic background video to make the homepage look more powerful and premium. And now it's done. As you can see, the video is perfectly placed in the hero section and it looks absolutely amazing. The homepage instantly feels more premium and cinematic. The video showcases the food making processes in slow motion. The dramatic sauce, drops, flames, close-up structure shot, everything looks extremely eye-catching and high-end. This single video completely transformed the first impression of the website. Instead of a static image, we now have a dynamic luxury style hero section that grabs attention within seconds. This is how you can make a simple AI generated website look like a high budget professional design restaurant brand. In the same way, you can replace any image on the website. If you don't like a specific image, just host your own image online, give the link to AI Studio and prompt it to replace that section. This way you can fully customize the website and make it look unique and client ready. Now let's move to the step 4, connecting the website forms and reservation system. Normally you would need a backend or database for this, but to keep it very simple and beginner friendly, I am not using any custom backend. Instead, I will connect the forms directly to email. So whenever someone fills the inquiry form or books a reservation, the restaurant owners or staff instantly receive an email notification. For this, I am using Forms Free. It's simple, fast and free to start. Just go to the Forms Free website, create an account, add a new form, and it will generate a unique form and point link. This link acts as a connection between your website and your Gmail. Now I will simply copy that Forms Free form link, paste it into Google AI Studio and prompt it to connect this endpoint to all the forms, including the inquiry form and the reservation section. AI updates the form action automatically. That's it. No backend setup, no database configuration. Now let's test it. I will just go to the reservation form and I will fill this form. I will add my name, phone, date. This is just for demo, not for actual. Time, guest numbers, and I will just click on confirm reservation. Now it shows success. Now I will just open my Gmails and yes, the email is received with all the details. You can see this email. This method is super simple and perfect for local and small businesses to start getting leads and table bookings without complex deployment. Now let's move to step 5, deployment. Once everything is ready, design, video, image and form connection, the final step is to make the website live. Since Google AI Studio's new dashboard doesn't allow direct code download, you either need to publish to a Google Cloud or connect your project to GitHub. So I will connect with GitHub. So first I'm just clicking on sync to GitHub here. Enter a new repository name, add a short description. I am right now just keeping it private so only you can access it. And I will then just create a repository. After that, I'm clicking on stay and commit all changes. Once it's committed, your project is safely pushed to GitHub. Now just open Netlify in a new tab. Log in with your credentials. Then just click on Add New Project. Now choose Import from Existing Projects. Now here just select GitHub. Here you will see your newly created repository. Select it and click on Deploy Project. Within 10-15 seconds, Netlify will automatically build and deploy your website on their server. You can follow the same process with Vercel or any other hosting platform as well. And now the website is live. The hero section video looks amazing. All sections are working perfectly. Forms are sending emails and everything is running smoothly on this live URL. You can see this is the URL. And my website is now live on internet. Now I can share this link to my team or the client directly. If client likes and ready for website order, then you can switch to the custom domain. And just like this way, you can create website for any local business, restaurants, cafes, salons, gyms, coaching classes, real estate, or anything. You can build a demo website first, share it with client for free review. I am sure when they see this kind of premium modern website with video, booking system and proper design, they will be impressed. In the beginning, you can charge a lower price to build trust. Focus on clear communication, show them real value and present the website professionally. Slowly, as you gain confidence and results, you can increase your pricing and scale this into a proper AI-powered website business. Okay, so that's all for this video. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel and support this series. Also, share this video with anyone who is building websites and want to start a AI-based business. And comment below which type of business website you want me to build next in this series. Also, join my Telegram group for all the prompts and updates. And finally, don't forget to subscribe to my new channel, Pro AI Income. Links are in the descriptions. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.